Assalamualaikum. How are you, my intelligent and active students? Hope everybody is fine. Have you completed your last paragraph of picture story which we gave you? Okay. Did you find any difficulty to do that picture story? Okay. If you will watch this video lesson carefully, you will not find any kind of difficulty, inshallah, if you will watch it carefully and focus on past verbs, because when you will not pay attention, you will not focus on past verbs, and you will do multiple mistakes. Today we will write a picture story about this picture, and its title is I Planted a Tree. You have to name these characters. You can say like Ali decided to plant a tree in his garden. One bright sunny day, Ali decided to plant a tree in his garden with his friends, with his cousins, with his siblings. Or Sarah decided to plant a tree with his brothers in her garden, or in her play area, or in a farmhouse. It's all your choice. So you have to give a proper beginning, like in our burger method. I have already told you that in our burger method we have to give a proper beginning. We have to write juicy filling, and we have to write proper ending. Our ending should be very interesting and proper. Now in this picture story, what should be our topic sentence? What should be our topic sentence? You can write importance of trees in the first beginning sentence, like trees are very important because they make our environment clean and green, or trees are very important because they give us multiple things like fresh air, they make our environment clean, they give us wood, we can get fruits and other multiple things from trees. After that, you have to write proper beginning, that where, when, and with whom. Okay, make a very good sentence with these three beginning portions, like where, when, and whom. Where did you plan to plant a tree? When and with whom? I decided, or I planned. Ali decided. Sarah decided. Sarah planned. Sarah made a plan to plant a tree in her summer holidays, and she and her brothers were also with her to do this healthy activity. Planting a tree is a healthy activity, and I think it is a very good hobby to plant trees, or gardening is also a very good hobby, because it is Sarah's hobby to plant trees, or to gardening is her hobby. So she planned to plant a tree in her garden with her brothers. Or one day Ali decided to plant a tree with his cousins in his garden, because they wanted to spend good time together, because they had vacations and they wanted to plant a tree to make their garden beautiful and very lovely, or they wanted to do this activity to make their environment beautiful and clean and very green. Okay, after that, let's come to the juicy filling. Here in the juicy filling, first of all, you have to tell that which kind of the gardening tools they collected. They had a wheelbarrow, they had a watering can, and they had a trowel. So they collected few gardening tools they bought these small trees. Bought. Where did they put these small trees? They put the small trees in a wheelbarrow and they cooperated with each other. They helped each other because they wanted to do all this activity together. So what they did, you can name this character that Hassan, or Hassan put these small plants in wheelbarrow and brought it on in the garden or in the play area or in the field, or they brought it from the nursery, or Hassan brought these small plant from his farmhouse. Okay, what about this thing? Yes, dug. Sarah dug mud in the ground and she planted the tree in the mud. Okay, and Ali took the watering can and gave some water to the baby plant or baby tree. Okay, you can write afterwards. At this point, when they put the at this point afterwards, when Sarah or Fatima put the plant in the ground or in the mud, Ali poured or Ali gave some water to the plant, or an additional, you can write, they gave some fertilizer to the plant because they wanted it to grow well. Okay, what about they helped each other to do this work, and they were very happy because they helped each other and they cooperated with each other, or they were very excited when they did this work, and they were very happy because they did this healthy activity, or they did this job in a very good way without any difficulty. In the end, you have to give a proper ending. Did they enjoy it? Or they did not enjoy? Or what about their or did they plan to do this activity again, or what did they decide to do in the next day? They decided that tomorrow they will plant another plant with this same plant, or they decided to plant more trees to make their garden neat, or to make their garden more green and more beautiful. Did they enjoy, or did they or which adjective we can use here? They were very excited, they were very happy, they thanked Allah because they did their work in a very good way, and they were very happy because plantation or planting a tree is a very good hobby. And I think now you will do this work in a very good way when you will focus on these past works. Focus on these past works and don't forget to follow this sequence, that you have to give a proper beginning, juicy filling is very important, and proper ending. in their garden or whatever, or they enjoyed a lot because they planted a tree in their garden to make it more beautiful. Okay children, without proper ending your paragraph would not be finished, so try to write a proper ending sentence, otherwise your paragraph, your juicy filling will fall down and your paragraph will not be finished like this. And you have to write, remember you have to write 10 to 12 long sentences